Well, good evening, everyone. It's a beautiful crowd. Thank you for being here. I'm Kamilė, CEO and co-founder of Attention Insight, and we enable you to see design and content through the eyes of your users. We live in attention economy. An average person in Germany consumes more than 10 hours of media a day, which is a lot, considering the fact that our attention span shrank dramatically, and now it is 1 second shorter than a goldfish. So imagine a struggle of news media and marketers who are battling to grab and keep your attention. And the only reliable metric they have is click-through rates. And it's not enough. Eye tracking is a technology that changes that. It provides you information of what users see exactly when they interact with your content. And biggest guys already use it. And as the head of P&G said, eye tracking can improve return on investment on average marketing campaign by 25%. Yet, it is still a big brand game because it costs $50K and up to a month to implement a study. And let's face it, media cannot wait for so long. And that is the reason why we developed Attention Insight. It's an online platform for eye tracking research automation. It provides you with the results in a matter of minutes. It is based on an artificial intelligence algorithm. We first built the algorithm, and then we trained it with a big pool of eye tracking studies data. We first showed to the algorithm how the human vision operates, how we see colors, faces, shapes, and then we trained it our websites. And at the moment, we have a predictive model that simulates human vision with 84% accuracy. And you can get results in a matter of minutes. It's an easy-to-use online platform for data collection-free A/B testing. Let's see it in action. You log into the platform, upload the designs you want to test, mark most important objects to you, call to action, paywalls, and then in a matter of minutes, you can see how your designs perform, what objects got the most attention of users. And then with this information, you can make data-driven design decisions every single day. Attention Insight was built by a kick-ass talented team. We have Yeva and Mindaugas, talented AI developers with a background in biophysics and cloud. Darius, he's there. He worked in one of the biggest media companies in Nordics. I'm Kamilė, I'm a co-founder, and I'm a marketer, and I lead this team, and I really believe we can make a difference in marketing and advertising world. We are backed by fabulous mentors from Google, Adobe. They push us forward every single day. And yes, NMA was truly a journey to us. We're happy to work with biggest brands in news media industry here in Germany. We came to NMA with our beta platform, and we were thrilled by the reaction we got from the industry. All biggest agencies like Achtung, Pilot, they open up doors for us, and now we are piloting with them, and we have many more waiting on the client list. We finalized our seed investment of $200K, and we got accepted to the most prestigious Google for Startup program. And I'm thrilled to inform you that today we are launching Attention Insight Live. So if you want to grab and keep your customers' attention and make more money with it, go to attentioninsight.ai and subscribe. Thank you for your attention.